Hello. Welcome to ضحك.com. Today we talk about onions. This vegetable is not food, it is a bully. You cut it and it's like, you want to hurt me, I will hurt you back. Onion equals emotional damage. Ya satir. Okay, why do onions make you cry? Inside the onion, there are tiny compartments. One side has sulfur chemicals, another side has enzymes. When the onion is whole, they don't touch. They are peaceful, like neighbors who don't talk. But when you cut the onion, boom, everything mixes. The enzyme starts making a gas. This gas is called syn-propanethial-S-oxide. Yes, long name because it's evil. Scientists gave it a long name so you can't complain properly. You're crying and you're like, it's the propane something, wallah ma ba'rif. This onion gas floats up and reaches your eyes. Your eyes think, what is this? So your eyes make tears to wash it away. So you're not crying because you are weak, you're crying because your eyes are doing their job. Your eyes are like security guards. Everybody out, tear evacuation, yalla. But why onion even has this gas? Because onion is a plant and plants can't run away. So onion makes chemical defense. Basically, onion is saying to animals, don't eat me, I will make you cry like you watched sad Turkish series. Ya haram. Now, how to stop this emotional damage? Here are some tricks. Use a sharp knife. A dull knife crushes onion more and releases more gas. Sharp knife is like clean cut, less drama. Chill the onion in the fridge. Cold slows the chemical reaction. Onion becomes less angry, like when you put your friend in AC and he calms down. Cut near water or rinse the onion. Water can grab some of the gas, so onion gas goes into water instead of your eyeballs. Don't put your face too close. Some people cut onion like they are kissing it. Habibi, distance, خليك بعيد. Wear goggles. Yes, it looks stupid, but you will not cry. You will look like scuba diver making salad. Me cutting onion, I'm strong man. Onion, gas attack. Me, who hurt you? Why you do this? Onion, you started. Tell me in comments, do you cry a lot from onions or you have special powers? If you don't cry, please teach us, ya batal. This was ضحك.com. ضحك.com. Remember, onions don't make you emotional, they make a gas, and your eyes are just cleaning the mess. Onion equals chemical drama. Yalla, bye.